Mastering PowerPoint for Academic Excellence. Hello everyone. Today, we're diving into an essential tool for academic presentations, PowerPoint. We'll explore how it's widely used in academic settings, and how you can use it effectively for your presentations and speeches. PowerPoint is a presentation software developed by Microsoft. It allows users to create slides that can include text, images, videos, and other multimedia elements to convey information in a visually appealing and organized manner. In academia, conveying your findings and ideas clearly is crucial. PowerPoint allows you to 1. Organize your thoughts in a structured manner. 2. Visualize complex data or concepts using charts, graphs, and images. 3. Engage your audience by integrating multimedia elements. 4. Highlight key points to make your argument or findings clear. 1. Title. Every slide should have a title that summarizes its content. 2. Content. This can be in the form of bullet points, paragraphs, images, charts, or a combination of these. 3. Consistency. Use a consistent font, color scheme, and layout for a professional look. 4. Visual elements. Incorporate relevant images, graphs, and videos, but ensure they enhance understanding rather than distract. 5. Notes. Use the speaker notes section to jot down key points you want to elaborate upon when presenting. 1. Less is more. Avoid overcrowding your slides. Keep the content concise and to the point. 2. Practice makes perfect. Always rehearse your presentation. Familiarize yourself with the content on each slide. 3. Engage your audience. Ask questions, use polls, or integrate interactive elements to keep your audience involved. 4. Consistent transitions. While it's tempting to use various transitions, sticking to one or two keeps the presentation smooth and professional. 5. Backup. Always have a backup of your presentation, either in a USB drive or stored in a cloud service. PowerPoint is an incredibly powerful tool for academic presentations when used correctly. Remember, the key is to convey information clearly and engage your audience. We hope this video helps you in creating effective and impactful PowerPoint presentations. Happy presenting!